Hello, this video is to show you how to create a filter on your data. To do that, you simply come to highlight the first row. And if you have huge data, it's not recommended to highlight all the data manually because that will take you some time. So what I would typically do when I highlight this first row, you could see from here, I'll click on my Control Shift, and then there's a drop down arrow on the right side of your keyboard where you have the arrow up, down, left, and right. So it's just a kind of moving arrows. So you will already be familiar with that. So when you click on Control Shift, and then you simply click on the draw down arrow, and that will highlight all the data you have. Now that I have all my data highlighted, not using manually, but you could also use manually, you will get the same result. What I'll do next is to click on Control Shift again, and then basically click on L. So what I will do, that will create a filter for me. So Control, Shift, and L. And now you have all your filter created. And I could check my data to check if there's any odd data points, like text where you're supposed to have number. So I could have a quick check across that area. I could also select a product, in this case, like choose bed frame, if I was looking at bed frame, and I'll look at the different amount of sales, and also the quantity sold for this various products, and as well as various dates that those products are sold. So basically, this video is not to show you how to analyze data. Basically, it's to show you how to create a filter using this particular function. There are multiple other ways you could also do this if you are not using Control Shift and L. So with Control Shift and L, I have removed the filter I've just created. Again, you could also simply just highlight your data and then click on this filter here. And here you click on filter and your filter will be created across your data. So why it is appropriate to highlight the data is to make sure that all the data is captured in your filter.